Okay, boys and girls. I don't know if I said it on the last video. He wanted 40 bucks. I got it for 30. Such a business I can make a nickel, huh? Yeah. But anyway, the art of the dickering, right? Okay. Show you the finished product now. I also killed two birds with one stone. Pretty proud of myself on this one. So here it is. Is it not a thing of beauty? Look at that. I also made a whole bunch of room in the back of my truck by putting my spare out here, right? So for 30 bucks and an hour or so's worth of shop labor, I'm pretty proud of it. We got a thing down here. Where is it? Right, cha. Goes out. I put a bolt on it. It's on there good and stout too. And then I put these returns on here, out back to the top of the frame, down through the bumper mount. So it's really stout. It don't move a bit. So not bad, huh? For 30 bucks. And like I said, an hour's worth of, so whatever, 130 bucks, say, maybe, with labor and everything. So I'm pretty proud of myself. And Rhino, he helped me out. We get it on there all right. So got it leveled up, squared up good. So I'm going to show you the project that Rhino's working on. Rhino and Cowboy. We're putting a motor in this. This motor's just wore out. I got a pretty cool surprise coming here for everybody, but well, for me especially. Wasn't a cheap surprise, but it's a nice surprise. So anyway, but this whole girl's getting traded off, or got traded off this morning. So just leave it at that for now. But so this motor, I had this motor rebuilt 3 or 4 years ago. So it's got all new internal parts in it. It runs good. I had it in a skidder for about 2 or 3 weeks or so, and it was just spewing oil out down here. And I think it was this gasket. So we're going to pull the front cover off. I'm going to clean it up, pull the front cover and the pan off, and we are going to put new gaskets in it. And we're going to take the water pump and thermostat housing off of that block. It's the same engine, put it on this one. And the turbo, that's got a new turbo on it, and we're going to put this turbo's got too much play in it. I don't think it's good. You can almost make it hit the housing. So I'm not gonna, that should have been replaced before anyway. But anyway, I got a new turbo on that engine. We put on last spring in April or March. So it got no hours on it. So we're gonna get this in there, and I told the guy I'd get that running, and then that's getting traded off. And so that's kind of the big surprise. I got something cool coming. So you guys gotta all stay tuned and let you in on it. It's pretty, I'll make a video when we get it. Till then, haha, mum's the word. So I'm cleaning out the back of my filthy little truck. And I got all kinds of room back here now with my spare tire out of there. I've got all kinds of hydraulic fluid because, first of all, I got a deal at Tractor Supply, the one on sale. It's cheaper than buying bulk oil, so I bought a lift of that. But anyway, I got real issues with the shovel. I've got to take it out of commission. I got to take the valve out. The main valve's leaking. No big deal. I've done it before, but it's time consuming. A couple bushings are real bad on it. I got to fix them. I got one main cylinder leaking. Swing drive needs to come out and be rebuilt. Not gear-wise, but just oil seals. It's just leaking everywhere. It needs to come. It just needs love, you know. And I actually had it sitting at the shop here for 4 or 5 weeks, hoping that Riddle guy could get to it, but he's just so flat out busy he can't ever get here. So Ryan came back to help us, which is great. And Cowboy's working in here and trucking too. So, but we're starting to get some of this stuff fixed back up. But it's just a full-time deal, you know. So. Alright, well anyway, I thought you guys might like to see my finished product. I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm not even going to, it's 2:40 now, I'm not even going to go to the job today. I'm just going to clean up some more and do some of these errands I got to do here. And then I'll head to the job in the morning. So, but I thought that was pretty cool. Now, airflow, I think I'll be all right because it should fool through that rim all right. I mean, everybody used to remember the old pickups in the 70s and stuff, the old GMC camper specials. Everybody used to put their spares out front. But whatever. If it's an issue, I can take it off. But I think it'll work good and save me a lot of room. Plus, that'll be great for hitting a deer, right? I mean, if you hit a deer, it's not going through to my radiator. You know, we just put a brand new radiator in this truck, and it happened that turkey. It was a couple days, well, 3 or 4 days before I brought it in here to put the tranny in it, and then we put a radiator in it and whatever. But, you know, can you imagine, wouldn't that be just the luck? You put a brand new radiator in it, and a freaking turkey goes through and pokes that all out. I put that new tranny cooler on it. You guys saw me do a video of that. And, you know, that would be just my luck. I just, you know, pound all that stuff back out of it. And then, you know, even these, I mean, if you hit a deer hard enough, you'll probably bend these. But, heck, man, they're easy to bend back. And I mean, you know, that's going to take a lot of the brunt. I've hit them with that other truck. I've pounded 6 or 7 deers and I haven't hit the body at all, you know. Believe it or not, that turkey, look at the dent. That was from that turkey. And then the body went in here, look at this. Busted the grill up. And for the MHL repairs there, I appreciate it, buddy. I see you've left me a message about having a grill. That's great, but I'm not all that concerned about it. I'm not too concerned about the cosmetics. I just don't want to wipe out my radiator, and you know, like I need this truck. You know, I need it. But anyway, she's running, but I put them plugs in it yesterday, and yeah, I just love this old truck. It's just a good old truck. It's like an old slipper. But anyway, I'm pretty happy with that. Just tickled with that. You know, that's gonna make a good cow catcher on there. And a deer catcher. Alright guys, I will let everybody go. And I think Mammy's working up doing some editing on some of them vids. I got some good cutting vids and stuff. And so, alright guys, well, you have a good day. And better tomorrow. Ta-ta.